Mr. Bashir Ahmed, first of all, congratulations from twocircles.net. You have been selected for civil services this year. Whom do you like to give the credit for your success?
I think I would like to give this credit to my father. He has been a leading light. In fact, I studied and grew under him only. So the most big share, important share of this success goes to my father.
What inspired or which personality inspired you to opt for civil services?
I think I take my father as my idol because he's the most hardworking and honest man. So I got that inspiration from him, and I take that inspiration from him.
Why civil services?
Civil services is important basically not only because it gives a chance for nation building and helping the society, but it also makes one to grow. You can contribute a lot by becoming a civil servant. In that sense, you got a lot of opportunities that you could have done well in case if you are a bureaucrat. So in that sense, I think civil services are the most important medium of changing the society, nation and the self.
Mr. Bashir Ahmed, would you like to tell us about your education?
I basically studied my school days in Arunachal, in government primary school Dirang, in Rama camp. Then from there I went to Bomdila College. It is also in Arunachal Pradesh, in West Kamen district. From there I moved on to Arunachal University, which is in Itanagar, Rono Hills. There onwards I came to Delhi, JNU for my MPhil, and then I am pursuing my PhD here only. And while doing that, I qualified for the civil.
Which state do you belong to?
My home state is UP, but I have stayed and grew up in Arunachal Pradesh.
A little about your family.
My family is a very small family, and father, mother, and three. We are total four of us: two sisters and two brothers. My elder sister is married. She is a teacher, and her husband is also a teacher. So here you can see trace the lineage of teaching spreading in the family. And my father is a teacher. My sister is doing graduation, and my brother is in class 10.
Okay, right. Mr. Bashir Ahmed, today you are a successful candidate of civil services. At this point of time, could you recall any moment, any incident in your life that you can call as turning point?
Turning point in terms of planning my career in civil.
Yeah.
Okay, in that sense, I recall one moment in which I saw a hardship faced by a common person. In fact, I was the very person who went to the SDM for to get a single my OBC certificate passed. But it took a lot of lobbying and all that. So I thought, in case, why not become a change that you want to bring? So from there onwards, seeing the difficulties of a common man, I thought I should come to this service.
Any major difficulty in your traveling, in your educational traveling? Any major difficulty you faced?
Yeah, because English medium is something which is a foreign language, so one has to really prepare for it. One has to really start brick by brick. So from building word power to everything, one has to struggle a lot. So that was English medium was the greatest difficulty for me, but then I somehow managed to overcome it. And then currently you can see me.
Alright. As civil servant, what will be your guiding principles?
Honesty, integrity, and work towards progress.
And what's your message for the youth of Muslim community?
I think Muslim youth could play a very important part in the nation building process, because they are a sizable chunk among the Muslim population, because Muslim youth, they consist of as a quite good numbers. So in case if they decide to come to the civil service, a lot can happen. I think if they really aspire to come, they can move mountains.
Thank you very much. Congratulations once again, and best wishes for plum posting.
Thanks a lot.